Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll discuss about the unit of the life for cell envelope and modification. What is envelope? Envelope is nothing but the cover like structure. So prokaryotic cells are mostly a primitive, which includes the bacterial cells, are more complex cells and they have the cell envelope. So it consists of tightly bound three layers. Outermost layer is known as the cell wall and then plasma membrane, and each layer of the envelope performs the distinct function. So they add together as a single protective unit. So based on the it can be classified into two groups based on the basis of the cell envelope. So it is gram positive and gram negative bacteria. So the bacteria staining produced by the gram which takes up the gram is known as, which contains the gram in nature, is known as the gram positive bacteria. So the bacteria in which it doesn't have or lack in it known as the gram negative bacteria. Glycocalyx differs in composition and thickness among the different bacteria. It could lose sheet called slime layer in some, while in other may be thick and tough is called capsule. Glycocalyx has two types. So when it is loose and thin, it is known as the slime in nature. When it is thick and tough, it is known as the capsule. So the cell wall determines the shape of the cell and provides strong structural support to prevent the bacterium from bursting or collapsing. The cell wall gives some support to the shape of the cell and strong support. A plasma membrane is selectively permeable in nature and interacts with the outside the cell. So it contacts with the cell plasma membrane and interacts with the cell. The membrane is similar structure to that of the eukaryotic. This membrane it is similar to that of the eukaryotic cell. A special membrane structure is known as the mesosome. So in prokaryotic cells it also have a special feature known as mesosomes. So which is by the extension of the plasma membrane into the cell. These extensions are into the form of the vesicles, tubules and lemma. They help in cell wall DNA replication and formation. So they also helps in other process like respiration, secretion process. So surface cell of the plasma membrane, and it involved in enzymatic content also. In prokaryotic cell, cyanobacteria other membranous extension into cytoplasm. So they contains the chromatophore in nature. Cyanobacteria is also known as the blue-green algae due to presence of the chromatophores which contains the pigments, blue color in nature. The bacterial cells may be motile or non-motile. Motile means for the movement or locomotion. It contains in the flagella. So it shows the range in number arrangement of the flagella. Bacterial flagellum is composed of the three parts: filament, hook and basal part. The filament is the longest portion and extends from the cell surface to the outside. Beside the flagella, pillae and membrane also. So these also present. Beside the pillae and membrane also the surface structure of the bacteria, but does not contain role in motility. The pill are elongated tubular structure made up of the protein. Though fimbriae are the small bristle-like fibers sprouting out of the cell. In some bacteria, this also helps to attach to the rock in the streams and also the host tissue. So this is all about the cell envelope. Due to cell envelope, it contains two types of the bacteria like gram positive and gram negative. The bacteria which possessing gram is known as gram positive. When it is lack, it is a gram negative bacteria. So it contains the different parts like filament, hook and basal parts. So this is all about the cell envelope and modification and changes of the prokaryotes. Further video will discuss about the other parts. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.